Hey guys, welcome to Chicago, because we are in Chicago, in Chi-Town. I am Sonia, and this is Alex, guys, and today we're talking about awesome tools that you could use when you're buying a home. And Alex is also going to give us a little bit of advice here in terms of, for first-time home buyers, what do first-time home buyers have to do when they're looking for a loan officer, or maybe when you're looking for some tools to use. So we're going to get right in there. So Alex, why don't you introduce yourself?
Thank you, Sonia. My name is Alex Romo. I'm the Senior VP at the Federal Savings Bank. I specialize in home mortgages, home lending, and also first-time home buyers. One of the tools that I want to talk about today is our mobile app, right? So we all know that we're out and about, and we want to figure out what we qualify for. Can we get pre-approved? It's 8 o'clock at night. You're with your realtor. You're out showing homes. You're looking at homes, and you really want to know, can you qualify? Where's your banker? Well, if you call me, I answer, right? But some bankers don't answer. So we have a mobile app.
So wait, Alex, we could call you at 2 o'clock in the morning and you're going to pick up? I'm going to be like, ring, ring.
Well, yeah, I will pick up, but I don't know what I'll say. So,
just kidding.
Right. And so our mobile app is next to none. Basically, you'll be able to, with the click of your fingers, you'll be able to get what if scenarios based on your qualifications. And you'll be able to generate a pre-approval on the spot, and it's not a generic pre-approval. This is actually tied into your mortgage, to your loan, and and there's some really cool tools with that app, and it's a free app that you can download through Apple or through the App Store or Android.
So on this app, Alex, are we, what exactly are we looking at in the actual app? Like, can I say, oh, I want to buy $1 million home, and I make like 20 grand a year or something, maybe not even that. How does that get calculated in there like that?
That's a great question. Well, what happens is it's tied into our system. So when you go and get pre-approved with a bank, mm-hmm. you submit your documentation, your pay stubs, your bank statements, and then you get some work history and your credit. So we build that all in together, and it's tied into the mobile app. So it's not a generic app, like I mentioned in the beginning. So it's tied in to your qualifications, and so you can actually go on there, punch in some numbers, the purchase price, the down payment you want to do, and then the tax and the property, and it will tell you right then there, real time in the bottom, if you're qualified or you're not.
So wait, that's important. So you can also put the taxes of the property in there, and it'll calculate my payment. That's awesome.
Absolutely. So it calculates everything real time, and it has all your debts, all the debts on your credits, all intertwined in there. And then at the end of the day, you can actually scroll to the bottom and click on Send Pre-Approval.
I have one question that's been bugging me, because what do you guys call yourself mortgage bankers, or?
Mortgage bankers, yes, not brokers.
Mortgage bankers, there you go. So he's a mortgage banker. So what is the most common question that you would say, the top question that first-time home buyers ask you?
Pre-approval. How much do I qualify for?
How much do I qualify for? And so what happens if you didn't use this particular tool that he's going to get into? What actually happens when they ask you that?
Well, I meet with them. I get all their documentation, and I would have to get back to them. When they're looking for a home, shoot them a pre-approval, and a lot of times it's going to be after hours. And sometimes when the client is with the realtor, like yourself, on the weekends.
And how long does that process normally take?
Well, to get a pre-approval, it can be within 24 hours right away, and it could be faster than that. And that's why with technology that we're going to talk about today, it's fairly quick.
So tell us about this technology. I'm dying to know.
Well, I'm glad you mentioned it. Well, actually, it's our mobile app. We have a mobile app that is tied into the client, that when we get all the documentation, we actually can shoot them out a free mobile app they can download through the App Store, through the Android, and they can actually punch in their information on there real time with the loan, based on their loan parameters, and they generate a pre-approval. And it's a real pre-approval. It's not a generic. It's not something you can get on the web. This is tied into their system, so at 9, 10 o'clock at night, you can actually generate pre-approval, send to the realtor and to themselves, and submit that offer.
Awesome. So you guys got to take advantage of this awesome tool. I will include Alex's information in the description below, but otherwise they can contact you at where? What's the best way?
At the Federal Savings Bank, you can contact me at 550-2539.
There you have it. Thanks a lot. See you later.